Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Z-Wave sensor pairing with Home Assistant, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure that your Home Assistant is fully updated to the latest version. Next, open your Home Assistant dashboard using a web browser. Log in with your credentials, if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the configuration section. Click on Integrations to view all available integrations. In the Integrations page, locate the Z-Wave integration. If it's not already installed, click on the Add Integration button. Search for Z-Wave in the list of available integrations. Select the Z-Wave integration to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your Z-Wave network settings. Once configured, click Submit to enable the Z-Wave integration. Next, go to the Z-Wave section in your dashboard. Click on Add Node to start the pairing process for your sensor. Put your Z-Wave sensor into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing a button or a switch on the sensor. Wait for Home Assistant to detect the newly added node. Once detected, you will see a confirmation message. Following this, you may assign a name to your Z-Wave sensor for easy identification. Click Finish to complete the pairing process. Your Z-Wave sensor should now appear in your devices list. You can test the sensor by triggering it to ensure it works correctly. If needed, configure any additional settings for your sensor in the integration settings. With the sensor paired, you can now create automations and monitor its status. Check the Home Assistant dashboard to confirm the sensor's updates. You have successfully enabled Z-Wave sensor pairing with Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.